technological advancements.
Social awareness,
infrastructure,
sports and fun,
constant source of learning.
Innovation.
This is what SLITE is all about. We welcome you all to the Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology.
A place that nurtures intense and genuine commitment, endless intellectual capacity, and a caring and holistic perspective. That's the Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology.
SLITE is a centrally funded technical institute established by Government of India in the year 1989. It has already completed 25 years. Last in 2014 we have celebrated Silver Jubilee year.
We have various departments in our college, which helps the students to choose their career path. The mechanical department. This department is where students work on their imaginations in the workshops. The computer science department, the place where we but the brightest minds to shine later in the industry and everywhere. The science department, which consists of chemistry, math, physics, and material science department. Food and chemical department is where students study the concepts related to the human needs. Last but not the least is the electrical, electronics and instrumentation department.
451 acres of campus of this SLITE Longowal is well equipped with the extra curricular activities, facilities for the students. These facilities include well equipped stadium, playground, student activity center, swimming pool. All the posters, which are 14 in number, 11 for boys, 3 for girls, are well equipped with a mess, TV room, TT room, badminton playground, volleyball playground, and reading rooms.
Apart from the cultural activities, we have all the facilities for sports and games, which we can use 24/7.
We have sport complex as well as indoor facilities for games like badminton, volleyball, cricket, football, squash, etc., where you can improve your gaming skills.
SLITE provides ample of sports facilities at its campus. Sports activities such as multi-fitness gym, squash courts, outdoor basketball, volleyball, cricket, tennis, football and handball facilities are provided to all the students of the campus.
The Central Library has a whopping number of 13 lakh plus books. We have this facility for the comfort of future engineers, budding scientists and administrators in the making. This place is for the love of books. We have book bank and digital library and additional facilities to our college.
Lights, camera, action.
Just to make you guys sure, we are not bookworms. For that, we have all the proper arrangement with which we can enjoy the different side of the college, because we believe in overall development of the students.
We have various cultural groups like the Demons, DC Crackers, FCDC, Sea Waves, Parking Lot, etc., which gives you a platform to explore the artist inside you.
कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान रखती हैं। फोक डांसेस में आप हिस्सा ले सकते हो, आप वेस्टर्न डांस कर सकते हो, आप कोई पंजाबी डांस कर सकते हो, डांस टू द ट्यून कर सकते हो। तो अगर आप बहुत अच्छे इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट हो तो आप अच्छा इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजा सकते हो, और आप बहुत अच्छे अगर ड्रमिस्ट हो तो आप किसी बैंड कंपटीशन में आ सकते हो।
SAC, the Student Activity Center, a place where the innovation starts. The students can enhance their skills with creativity. We have the music room, the gym room, the yoga hall, the squash court, the TT room, and so much more. Talking about the facilities our college has, the college owns a health center, a bank, restaurant, various other food courts, and a shopping complex too. The students can get all the necessary items for the daily need.
The central workshop caters to the practical needs of all the engineering branches of the institute. The students are imparted technical skills as per the syllabus. In addition, BTech, MTech and PhD scholars also do their project and thesis work.
We have some nationally renowned teams like Junkyard Warriors and Green Rangers. These teams participate in Baja competition that simulate real-world engineering design projects and their tough challenges. Both teams have claimed their first prize twice in this competition and have glorified our college.
The academic section, the official place of the college. It is more of the administrative block. The documents, paper-related works, all of it is done here. All the major offices, the director's office, dean offices, the registrar office, account section, the set office, the academic section, one place has it all.
SLITE has a very good internet connectivity facility for students, especially in the hostels, and it has Wi-Fi connectivity throughout all the hostels for all the students. Some of the hostels are having connectivity in individual rooms also.
Let's rock. Let your potential set the stage on fire.
Come and join SLITE. We are waiting for you eagerly.
So, we welcome you all to Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology.